Make these caramel egg brownies with me. Start by putting 3 caramel eggs into the freezer so they're ready for when you need them. Add 150 grams of butter and 150 grams of dark chocolate to a bowl and melt this in the microwave in short bursts. In a separate bowl, crack in 2 eggs and add 200 grams of caster sugar. Beat this on an electric mixer until it's pale. In a separate bowl, add 75 grams of plain flour and 35 grams of cocoa powder. You then want to sieve this into the eggy mixture. Mix again until just combined. You don't want to overmix at any point as it will change the texture of the brownies. Pour in your melted chocolate and butter and mix until just combined. Then follow this with 100 grams of milk chocolate chunks. Pour the mixture into a prepared baking tin. Then you want to grab your caramel eggs from the freezer and cut them in half and push them into the mixture. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees or 160 fan. Here's the final result. They're so easy to make and they're so gooey in the centre. Make sure you head over to YouTube, Baking with Becca, for full videos.